What's going on, guys? It's Vauxhall TV Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic, back here again. It's freezing, so I'm in the car. I'm starting this intro in the car, getting warmed up and everything. Happy days. Right, what I've got is I've got a 2010-11 Vauxhall Astra, or Opel Astra, whatever you want to call it. It's a GM, obviously General Motors, and the management lights come on, okay, and the car's misfiring. So it could be anything, okay. It could be the timing chain has jumped, it could be the valves burnt out, it could be the spark plugs, it could be the coil pack, it could be absolutely anything, O2 sensor, anything. Okay, so the easiest thing and cheapest thing to go for first is we change the spark plugs and we change the coil pack. Okay, but first things first, we're going to code read it and let's see what it says. Let's go. Gonna get the big massive code reader on it, the laptop or anything like that. I've got a little handheld one, the Prodigal Son, this one, my favorite. It's back again, right? So it's mainly for VW and Audi, this, but it does do the OBD, EOBD system and everything. So let's go for the scan. We'll go for the engine, read codes. Stored codes. There's no stored codes because he's had it reset. Okay, he went to his mate's garage and he showed me the code and everything. He had it reset. So pending codes, it says cylinder 2 misfire detected. Okay, this code P0302, cylinder 2 misfire detected. That 9 times out of 10 on these Vauxhalls is the coil pack and the spark plugs. I mean, it could be something else, but most of the time it is the coil pack. Right, let's go ahead and replace that, and we'll go from there. I mean, strictly speaking, I know it said cylinder 2 misfire detected and everything, so I could go ahead and do a compression test and everything, but going off experience and a common fault, been through these Vauxhalls and everything, more than likely it is the coil pack. But for good measure, we change the spark plugs and the coil pack. Let's go. Okay, sorry about the noise in the background, we've got a car running there. Anyway, what we're going to do is lift that up, and as you can see, arrow there, you can't really go wrong. Just get a little fat screwdriver, pry it there, should open up like that. There we go, that comes off. Then what we will do is this little orange clip, move that out of the way first. See, I'm doing everything with one hand. If I drop it, don't blame me. Right, so move that out of the way first. Then we'll press this bit here, but that's not out yet. There we go, that's off. This one and this one, we're going to take these two off. Switches off, as you can see there. Take that off, take that off. Torx 40, normally the 30, but on the newer 2010 Vauxhall Astra, it's a Torx 40. Let's go ahead and take them off. Right, coil pack is off. As for the spark plugs, they're just down there. There you go, 4 spark plugs. Just get the spark plug socket. Right, if I can find it, that is. Can't find it. One of them. Spark plug socket, or if you haven't got a spark plug socket, 16mm socket, long extension. Just take them off, fire the new ones on. Let's go. Right, when you're putting the spark plug in, I mean, don't just go chucking them in. I mean, if you mess the gap up there, then obviously these are pre-gapped and everything, but if you do mess it up, then you'll have to buy some new ones. So basically, or you have to re-gap it. So get your spark plug all the way in, right to the bottom. There we go, not dropping it or anything. Same with all of them, do that. Finger tighten it first. So basically what I would do is socket with your fingers, with your hand, basically get it on there. When it's on the thread, then you know you're not cross threading or anything like that. Same with all of them. So basically get it on with your hand first, then you go use it ratchet. Don't go tighten it up with the electric ratchet, do it manually. that is it, guys. We've done it. We've put the coil pack back on, everything, the ignition coil that is, and also we put the spark plugs on. Just going to get inside the car, start it up. I'm going to code read it again, see what it says. Obviously, he didn't show anything on the stored codes. It was on the pending codes because he reset it before he came here. He's got one of these little code readers. So we're going to go ahead and check it. Also, when we pressed the accelerator before, it was misfiring. The engine was shaking. You can feel it misfire. Feels and sounds nice. Right, let's code read it. Okay, so back to the screen again. So we'll press OK, go to EOBD. So stored codes, nothing. Go back, pending codes, no pending codes. Happy days, job done. Right, so I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry, trying my best. If you've got a problem like that, the management light comes on your Vauxhall Astra 2010, 11 kind of thing, petrol, obviously coil pack, ignition coil is petrol. Before you do anything, try the spark plugs, then try the coil pack. I knew most likely it was the coil pack, but since we're taking the coil pack off, I thought we'll change the spark plugs, give it a new set of spark plugs, then yeah, we're all good to go. Yeah, so try that first. You can do it outside your house, no problem whatsoever. 10 minutes job. Happy days. Anyway, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raoul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys next time.